Okay, yesterday we finished drawing these two scatter plots, as you can see here. Okay, so now basically a lot of you have asked me a question like this was very obvious, it's going up, so you pretty much know it could be a positive relationship. Okay, what about this? A lot of you are quite confused. So how do you actually know whether about relationship or no relationship? Okay, basically we will see, okay, from the scatter plot, firstly you can see direction, but you cannot determine how strong the relationship is for sure. You can see the further it goes stronger, that one, yes. How to see for sure? There's only one way. We will actually calculate something called a correlation coefficient. These are the terms that you will see for this value: correlation number, correlation coefficient, Pearson's R or R value. They all mean the same thing. This number is able to actually determine whether the relationship is strong or weak or whatsoever. All right, so basically it looks very scary. Yes, this is what you will basically see. These are the formulas which are given to you in your exam. Don't need to really worry about it. Rxy is what I was telling you just now. Rxy is your correlation coefficient or your Pearson's R. They all mean the same thing. Is Sxy over standard deviation of x, because now you're doing bivariate, but you've got two datas, isn't it? X and y. So this is standard deviation of x, this is standard deviation of y. So Rxy is equals to Sxy. This Sxy down here is what you call covariance. You will see the same thing in your manual, okay? It's what you call covariance, okay, which is sigma xy. What sigma xy? X times y, which you can get it from the calculator. X times y over n minus mean of x times with mean of y. So you will put this value up here, which needs to be transferred in 4 decimal places. Okay, standard deviation of x times with standard deviation of y will be on the bottom. So just follow the formula and calculate. It is not so difficult. Okay. All right, so to measure the Pearson's R, you need 6 things. Of course, n is the total number of pair of data. If you have 10 pairs, it's 10. Doesn't mean you have, oh, you have x got 10, y got 10, then you tell me it's 20. No, n is the number of pairs of data. Okay, if altogether you have 10 pairs, then 10. Like when you plot the graph, right, you had 10 points, isn't it? That's 10, n is 10. Okay, you need sigma xy. What is sigma xy? X times y, which you need to calculate as xy. Then you need mean of x, mean of y, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. Not so difficult. Everything you can get from the calculator. Okay, I've already sent you YouTube videos how to use the calculator. I would expect you to sort that part out already. If you have any issues, then just let me know. Okay, so what we're going to do now is you're going to measure the correlation coefficient for the 3 datas that we have done. All right. For the 3 datas that we have done, actually basically we have done this. This is the first data in your manual, the first one, the first example I showed you, you know, on the scatter plot. It is between the heights of 2 sisters, the first one in the chapter. So you're going to basically calculate for me the R for all 3. Okay, these are the other 2 that you have drawn. So can you sit down now, use your formulas, use the formulas and calculate. The calculator method, we will do it later. The formulas, I've already taught you how to use it, right? So use the formulas and calculate it. Okay?